Samsung is getting into the whiteboard game. This is the Flip. This is a smart whiteboard that you can hook up to USB, your laptop, your phone via NFC, and really have some fun and get some work done. So this thing comes with a pen. We have a smaller drawing side. We also have a thick, more highlighter side. And you can change the color of this thing just by holding it on the screen. Maybe do some yellow here. And then you can also import stuff from whatever's connected. So we have this USB. Let's draw all over this thing, why not? Samsung envisions the Flip for businesses. I could also see this being used in schools, some really fancy colleges or something. So this thing is pretty high tech, but it operates a little bit like an old school whiteboard in some ways. So if I'm gonna draw something up here, when I want to erase it, wipe it away. You can also flip this thing horizontally. So when you're streaming your laptop or connected to your laptop, you can see the screen as it's meant to be in that wide view. And you can interact with all the videos and whatever images or links are on there. Engadget is just getting started here at CES, so stay tuned to Engadget.com for all the latest news.